I was going to put pumpkins in here, little pumpkins in these. But I was thinking maybe I should put another pot in there, like a clean one, and then put candies in there for Halloween. Let's go see. We can find some cool leaves. Oh, this one has some nice patterns. You can see it. This one has some nice cool patterns on it. That would look cool on this one's. Let's try. Let's take a few of these leaves. Once. Not that one. I want the good ones. I want this two, these 3 leaves. These 3. Oh, of course I should have brought something. Maybe I should just pull these off, huh? How about that? Be a lot easier. Put the leaves. Maybe that one. So we got a few of these leaves. They're really beautiful. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, we got to do maple. We got to do a maple leaf. All right, so we got these ones. And we'll get a couple maple leaves. Oh, look at the back of them. Very cool. Get another leaf. Another maple leaf. See if I can find a big one that's not broken. Okay, we'll put these over there. Making our way rocks. I picked all those rocks. Okay, we're gonna put this underneath so it doesn't blow away. And we'll get some more of my coffee. Let's go get some. Different ones. I want to get a nice big maple leaf too. But these are the ones that I made the other one with, but I used a really big one. But the only other big one is this one, and it's kind of messed up. And then there's this one. Yeah, I could maybe make it with this one, even though it has like all those little holes. Maybe they won't show, because I don't see another plant like that to do that with here. Let's see. These are different too. I'm not gonna use those. Let's see what else we got in here. I want to get a nice big maple leaf. There's a nice big maple leaf. Nice big maple leaf. I get a couple so that I can do a couple different ones with the maple leaf. Oh, that one has like a cut and has like a marking in the end. Let's see one that we can find one that has not broke. Oh, that one looks really cool. New people? I don't know who that is. A lot of these are maple leaves are a little messed up. Let's try a couple different ones and see which one I like. And I might make a couple different ones like this, dishes like this. So these leaves are interesting too. They're all like together though, like that, right? Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna do a chakra reading. Maybe I mean a chakra, not a reading. That car just drove through. So I just gonna do a chakra one. hanging thingy to look nice. Oh, I forgot that here yesterday. Got that out here. See what we can find. I'm looking for the patterns of the leaves. What patterns they have on them. I'll take a couple of these brown ones. Bigger brown ones. Just one. Maybe I'll take another one. I'll just cut it. It's hard to hang on to things. Especially these big ones. I want to wreck them. Oh, here's a nice big one. Okay. Okay. We got some more leaves. I think that's all I need. I'll need. We got a vine here. Those aren't maple, but those are like some type of vine leaf. All right, let's go back. I'm pretty proud of myself, except for those plants are done for the year. No. Probably would have been better to do it in the spring, but all right, so